No, I will see now. Now let us to start. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention and participation. Let us to start with the rubric subjects. This is, we need the rubric in assessment, an online test, for example, for your discussion boards. If you have a project like a presentation, something like this, then you have to use the rubric. We will go with this choice. For example, as I told you, regarding to the new criteria, we need the assessment here. When you click on it, then inside we have to create assignment, right? We'll go to see assessment. Then after we go to the assessment, direct. This is the assessment, assignment. When we create this assignment, I have one is already created. This is one of our assignment, for example. I have one is already created. See you. I write here, for example, what is the shortcut of PC. Then this is here. I give some conditions. What is the name of my courses? What's the time? And tell the student to do something. Then you have to attach something. I send him an attachment file about the subject. That means the student, they have to download this file, fill the answer, then bring it back to me as attachment, separately student by student. But my issue is go to rubric. Rubric, see you, create rubric, create. I have one created, but I will see how we create. Create rubric, our specific work for today. My scale grade for this, for example, presentation. How we go to evaluate. Dear student, please be careful. We will evaluate you regarding to this mean point. Then it come the rubric details. See you. That means the criteria, how we go to work. It depends. You can add and delete. Or this is one field, first field, second field, third field, 4, 5. It depends. See you here. You have to decide first of things. Add or delete rows and columns. Maybe I didn't need all of this 9. I need only 2 or 3 or 4. We will see with more details. You decide your type rubric. What's the type of your rubric? No points, just evaluate. With points range, percent, will a percent range. For example, let us to give something, for example, with points. See you, it will be not available. If I choose percent, see what happened here? Have you seen? Here, the formatting. That means the criteria regarding the formatting. What is the weighted will be from the 100%. Organization, what will be? Grammar will be novice, competent, proficient. It depends. Maybe I decide no need grammar regarding to my presentation. I will not go to calculate this how they write in right language or doesn't. Then I go to see you. I go to this column, delete this row. Delete this row. It's finished. Then maybe I no need the organization. Then as well, I go to delete this row. For example, I go to make something easy. Now I have these 3 things. And then I give this here. The weight is 100 from 100 percentage. I go to give the student 0, for example. I tell, for example, 0 when if the student did not join or attach the presentation, for example. Again? You cannot like this. You can copy paste. There's a specific types. this score. There's a specific tools they have to work, have to be available with the Blackboard. It's not easy. There is like this GIN, for example, if you bring something like exam, there is some tools regarding to the ALC. There is specific tools, not everything working. I understand, but copy paste, it's easy. If I have here 50%, for example, yes. Yes. Therefore, it's based on your syllabus. Yes, yes. It's easy. Copy paste. Moreover, see you here. I go to tell the student you get 50% if he joins, but, for example, but after deadline. I give him some exceptions. Here, if he join, for example, and under deadline and relevant to the subject. To give only, I give you an example to give more sense, nothing else. Then now what I could submit. See you, it coming here. You will see our rubric is already submitted. Submitted here. See you. Where is the rubric? Because we have one. It's not. By mistake. I give him not okay. Don't give him okay by mistake. It's okay, but we will see what happened. See here this rubric, for example. Then see here what written. Here they asking edit rubric if you would like to exchange something after we attached. Here they told view the rubric. View. See what give me. See you here. I give the name, description. See you can print it. You can print it to. If you would like to bring a hard copy, if the chair department asks you to attach in your digital major, then you can print name of rubric, the description of rubric, and see here rubric details, the level of achievement. I tell him, here I use 2 columns and 2 rows. Have you seen? It's easy things. See you here? Print, if you would like to print it. Or close the windows. See here you can, if you have more, because sometimes not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can make the rubric matrix 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, as you like. It depends what is your specific work, project, and syllabus. It depends about your course. And anytime you can edit option, add alignments, or to exchange something, and here view associated items. Okay, but what's important to us, how to view. When you view it now, if you open the column in the grade center regarding to the attachment files of every student there, then you can open every attachment file of every student and review what he already attached regarding to your rubric to go to evaluate every student. Here see, but here I didn't use no points, here just percent, or without points, it depends. Or if you are go to grade the student with point, then you go to take 2%, 3%, or with 2 point, 0 point, 10 point, the maximum grade, the scales I mean, or the maximum point that would like to be investigate for this homework, for example. Here I closed. This is here an example. Cancel. It works like this. This is here the simple way for the rubric. What we're asking, you have to create one assessment. I take for this assignment name and description. options, details for the submissions, multi attempts, one attempts, as you like. Then go to due date and display options, starting, end, then create rubric. That's, yes. Yes, you are new, I know. It will be something difficult. Okay. Yes. No, this is something else. This is test. Something else. If I'm looking not assignment, not like a presentation or project, I would like to go to for a student to make to him online test. Then I go to the tools, assessment, same place, test. Then will ask me or think create test or create a new. After that, when I create a new, then go, this will be in another training session. How to create the test, how to build it, add questions, options of every questions types, set random block, and then how to organize. There is test options. One will be up here, see you. One will be from here, we see, we choose. Then go. Descriptions, build one by one. This will become soon in another training sessions. Thank you so much. Any questions so far? Us to store.